Welcome, artists and curious minds. In today's deep dive, we are exploring two of the most timeless tools in the artist toolbox, the drawing pencil and charcoal. Which do you prefer? Whether you are a seasoned artist or just starting your creative journey, understanding the difference between these two mediums will not only improve your technique but also inspire new creative abilities. So you can grab your sketch pad, settle in, and let's explore these expressive worlds of graphite and charcoal. You might just discover a new favorite. Let's start with where it all begins. Graphite pencil and charcoal sticks may look similar at a glance, but their composition sets them worlds apart. Graphite, the core material of most drawing pencil, is a crystalline form of carbon. It was first discovered in the 1500s in England and revolutionized the way artists drew. Combined with clay, it's encased in wood to form the pencil we use today. Charcoal, on the other hand, is made from slowly burnt organic material like willow or vine wood. It's been used by artists for centuries, even cave painters. It offers raw, powerful strokes, unlike anything else. If you ever held both, you know immediately they feel different, but the difference really shows up on paper. Graphite pencil offer a sleek control glide. You can get clean, defined lines with a reflective sheen, especially with hard grades pencils like H or 2H. Charcoal, on the other hand, is gritty, rich, matte, and it spreads effortlessly and is ideal for expressive gestures, dramatic shadows, and moody effects. Now, let's talk about values. Value in the range between light value is the range between light and dark in your drawing. And both graphite and charcoal handles this differently. Graphite offers a more subtle gradient. You can blend and build soft tones gradually. Great for realism and delicate shadings. Charcoal, however, delivers deep blacks and extreme contrast. With a single stroke, you can define intense shadow, perfect for dramatic composition. Do you prefer fine lines or free expression? That might help you choose graphite pencil and excellent for detail. Graphite pencils are excellent for detail. You can sharpen the tip and work with precision. That's why technical artists and hyper-realists often love them. Charcoal can be controlled with practice. but it tends to smudge easily and react to touch. It favors bold gestures and broad marks. If you like movement and spontaneity, charcoal might be for you. Let's dig into techniques. With pencils, you might use hashing, cross hashing, banishing, or layering. Tools include blending stumps, erasers, and sharpeners. With charcoal, you can smudge with your fingers, use kneaded erasers for highlights, and layer vine or compressed charcoal for different effects. This is a bonus tip. Use a fixative spray to preserve your charcoal work immediately you finish because it smudges easily. What you drew on is just as important as what you can draw with. Graphite performs well on smoother papers. It clings nicely without too much friction. Think sketch pads or drawing paper. Charcoal craves texture. The rougher the paper, the, the easier the grip of the particles on the surface of the paper. Newsprints or specialized charcoal paper works beautifully. Let's be real. One of these is messier than the other. Graphite is clean and portable. You can sketch on the go with just a pencil and eraser. Charcoal, while rewarding, is messy. It gets on your hands, clothes, and everything else. But many artists find beauty in the chaos. So, when should you use pencil? And when should you grab that sticks of charcoal? Use pencil when 1. You need precision. 2. You are creating detailed portraits or technical work. 3. You want clean, long-lasting sketches. When charcoal or when to use charcoal. 1. You want bold, dramatic contrast. 2. You are working on expressive figure drawing. 3. You want a raw, powerful texture. Or better yet, use both. Some of the history's greatest artists prefer one medium over the other. Leonardo da Vinci often sketched in graphites. His studies shows incredible control and detail. Meanwhile, other artists embrace charcoal for its emotion or emotive power and strong contrast. Their works or their artworks continue to inspire generations today. At the end of the day, both tools are just that, tool. What matters most is how you use them to express your ideas. Try them out, experiment, mix them, discover what feels most natural for your hand, your heart, and your creative tool, and your creative voice. And remember, there is no better medium, only different parts to study beauty with your drawing. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Are you team graphite or team charcoal? Stay inspired, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.